Hello sa ating mga mathtiyagang taga-subaybay at nais math tuto dito sa ating channel, Sir Joel. Welcome po! Again, our topic here is about multiplication of fractions, but this time with three given numbers or fractions. Pwedeng lahat ay fraction, pwedeng may mixed number, pwedeng may whole number, o yung tinatawag nating combination of the three: mixed number, fraction, and whole number. So, ready na kayo? If yes, umpisahan na natin. Example, 2 and 1/3 times 6 over 7 times 2. If you look at our problem, merong mixed number na 2 and 1/3 and whole number na 2. So, kapag ganito, sabi natin, if there is a given mixed number, i-convert muna natin ito into improper fraction. And if there is a given whole number, lalagyan lang ng denominator na 1. Unahin natin yung 2 and 1/3. Convert 2 and 1/3. Paano nga? Copy the denominator 3. Then multiply 3 dun sa whole number na 2 plus the numerator 1. Okay? To continue, copy the denominator 3. What is 3 times 2? 6 and then plus 1. Okay? Continue again. What is 6 plus 1? 7 and then your denominator 3. So it is now equal to 7 over 3. So 2 and 1/3 is equivalent to 7/3. Okay? Now, ano ngayon ang ating magiging problema? Instead of 2 and 1/3, gagamitin na natin yung 7 over 3. Okay? Next, times 6 over 7. Okay? Next, times 2. Ang sabi natin kanina, lalagyan lang ng denominator 1. So our new problem now is 7 over 3 times 6 over 7 times 2 over 1. If you look at the problem now, what are the given numbers? We have 7, 3, 6, 7, 2, 1. So i-consider na lang natin yung 7 as 1, 7. So the given numbers are 7, 3, 6, 2, and 1. Okay? Now, dahil na-identify na natin yung given numbers, ibigay ulit natin yung kanilang factors. Factors of 7, 1, and 7. Factors of 3, 1, and 3. Factors of 6, 1, 6, 2, and 3. Factors of 2, 1, and 2. And factors of 1, 1. Okay? Now, tingnan natin. Ilan yung given fractions sa problem? 3. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na lang ito A, B, C, D, kundi magkakaroon na rin tayo ng E and F. Alin ang A? 7. Alin ang B? 3. Alin ang C? 6. Alin ang D? 7. E? 2. At ang ating last, ang F? 1. So, yan ngayon ang ating given letters. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now, one at a time, tingnan natin. Dapat numerator over denominator in using cancellation method. Diba? So, unahin natin yung pattern na A over B. And that is 7 over 3. Look at the factors of 7 and 3. The only common factor here is 1. So, walang pwedeng makancel. Next pattern, A over D, which is 7 over 7. Since parehong 7 ang numerator and denominator, divide 7 over 7 by 7. Kaya, 7 divided by 7 is 1. Instead of 7 over 7, magiging na siyang 1 over 1. Ibig sabihin, ang bago nating value ng A ay 1. Ang bagong value ng D ay 1 pa rin. Okay? Or 1 na. Diba? Ayos? Okay. Now, next pattern is A over F. A over F is 1 over 1. Bakit 1 over 1? Kasi nga, sabi natin, ang new value of A is 1. And then F here is 1. So, wala na problema kasi 1 over 1. And the next pattern, C over B. C over B here is 6 over 3. Look at the factors of 6 and 3. So, there is a greatest common factor, and that is 3. So, i-divide natin yung 6 and 3 sa 3. So, what is 6 divided by 3? The answer is 2. 3 divided by 3, the answer is 1. Now, what is our new value of C? 2. New value of B? 1. So, nabago na ulit ang value natin para sa C at para sa B. Okay, next pattern, we have C over D. Ang C over D natin is equivalent to 2 over 1. Dahil kanina, nalaman natin ang C ay 2 at ang D ay 1. So, bago na natin yon. And then next, we have C over F. And ang C over F natin, still 2 over 1. Okay? And the next pattern is E over B. Ano ngayon ang E over B natin? It's 2 over 1. And then next, we have E over D. We have 2 over 1 pa rin. And last pattern is E over F, still is 2 over 1. So, yan yung ating, let's say, patterns na dati, 4 lamang. Ngayon, dahil siya ay naging 6, ilan na siya? So, naging na siyang 9. Okay? So, bibilangin natin, A over B1, A over D2, A over F3, C over D4, C over D5, C over F6, E over B7, E over D8, and E over F9. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong 9 patterns o siyam ang titingnan natin para tayo ay makapag-apply ng tinatawag nating cancellation method. Okay? Now, balikan natin ang ating original problem upang sa gayon malaman natin ang ating panibagong problem. Sabi nga natin, alamin natin, ano ang value of A? 1. So, nabago na, di ba? Tama ba? Kasi yun yung nalaman natin kanina nung tayo ay mag-solve. And then, value of B, 1 instead of 3, naging na rin siyang 1. Value of C, 2. Value of D, 1. Value of E, 2. And value of F, 1. So, nakuha na natin ang factors ng 1, 2. Kaya naman, tingnan natin. Time for us to get the product of these 3 fractions. Ngayon, ang tanong, what is 1 times 2? 2 times 2, 4. So, therefore, we have 4 over 1. Why 4 over 1? Kasi nga, 1 times 1, the denominator is 1, times 1, 1. And since our answer is 4 over 1, sabi natin, if a number has a denominator 1, magigilang siyang whole number na 4. Therefore, 4 here is our final answer. Nang alin? Nung tanong na 2 and 1/3 times 6 over 7 times 2. So, that's it. Sana naintindihan. Kayang-kaya nyo naman, di ba? So, malinaw. Ayos? Ayos. Again, andito na ulit tayo sa ating exercises kung saan instead of 1 to 5, ginawa ko lang siyang 1 to 3. Now, sir, bakit isa lang ang sample? Well, kung inyong napansin dun sa aking example na ibinigay, in-emphasize ko naman na if there is a given mixed number, kailangan lang itong i-convert into improper fraction. And kapag meron namang given whole number, lalagyan lang ito ng denominator na 1. And then from there, magkakaroon kayo ng 3 fractions kung saan i-apply nyo yung cancellation method. Na sabi nga natin, dahil 3 fractions, magkakaroon tayo ng 9 patterns. Kasi nga, ang ating letters na ginamit ay A, B, C, D, E, and F. So kapag nagawa natin yon, masasagot natin itong exercises na to. Well, tandaan lang natin, kapag ang inyong sagot, let's say, ay improper fraction, see to it na ito ay maisulat ninyo into a mixed number. So, yun lang. Tatandaan lang, mixed number gagawing improper fraction, then whole number lalagyan ng denominator 1 and then apply cancellation method. By the way, bago nyo i-multiply ang numerators at saka denominators, see to it na yung patterns ay na-double check nyo. Ayos? Okay. Alam ko naman kayang-kaya ito. At alam ko rin naman na ang magiging score nyo dito ay perfect pa rin. So, good luck and congratulations in advance. Muli po, thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay. Palagi nyo lang tatandaan, maging matyaga upang matuto dito sa aking channel, Sir Joel. Salamat po!